Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to reset network settings on your Android phone. Resetting network settings can help fix issues with Wi-Fi, mobile data, or Bluetooth. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then, search for Reset. Click on the first option that says Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Next, select Reset Network Settings from the list. This option will reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings to their default state. But don't worry, it won't delete your apps or personal data. Now confirm the reset by tapping Reset Settings. If prompted, enter your PIN, pattern, or password to proceed. Some phones will automatically restart after this step, but if yours doesn't, you can manually reboot to complete the process. And that's it. Your network settings are now reset.